Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So the human life is meant for this purification. We are working very hard for getting our daily bread. People are not getting their bread sitting idly. That is not possible. They are working very hard. This nice city of Denmark is there. It has not sprung up from the jungle or desert. One had to work very hard to make this city so nicely, perfectly standing. So we have to work. If we want happiness, then we have to work. There is no doubt about it. But Krishna says that Janti Deva Brata Deva. Somebody is working to become happy within this material atmosphere by becoming very big man within this world, or a little more intelligent. They are not happy in this life, but they want to become happy in the next life. Sometimes they go to the higher planetary system. So Janti Deva Brata, Pitri Janti Pitri Brata. So as you work, you get the desired result. But at the last line, Krishna says, Vajjajino pi janti ma. If you work or if you worship me, then you come to me. Then what is the difference between going to Krishna and keeping within this material world? The difference is Abrahma bhuvana lokan punaravartina Arjuna. In this material world, even if you go to the topmost planet Brahmalok, still there is birth, death, old age and disease. Or you have to return back again. Just like these people are going to the moon planet and again coming back here. So, this kind of going and coming back here is not good. Jadgatyana nivartant. If you go to such planet where from you haven't got to come back again to this material world, that is highest perfection. That is Krishna Loka. So Krishna says that if you are working so hard to become happy in this material world, the same labor, if you worship me, Krishna, then you come to me. Madhyajino pi janti ma. What is the benefit especially? Mam upeta kauntiya dukkhalayam asasatam nabnuvat. Anyone who comes to me, he hasn't got to come back again to this material world. So our Krishna consciousness movement is teaching people how to go back to home, back to Godhead, Krishna. That will make the people happy eternally. So, in this life also, Krishna conscious people, they are not unhappy. You can see practically. We are sitting in a very nice room and chanting Hare Krishna and taking prasadam. Where is unhappiness? There is no unhappiness. And other processes, they have to undergo so many unhappy processes. Here, Krishna consciousness, there is nothing unhappiness. That is stated in the Bhagavata. Susukham kartum abhyam. Susukham. when you execute devotional service, it is not only sukham, sukham means happiness, but another word is added, susukham, very comfortable, very happy. Kurtum, to execute devotional service is great pleasure, great happiness, and abhayam. Abhayam means whatever you do, that is your permanent task. Other things, that is finishable. Suppose you are very much advanced educated person. You have passed MA, PhD and something. But it is not abhayam. It is bhayam. Bhayam means it is finishable. As soon as your body is finished, your so-called degree is all finished. Then again next life, if you become a human being, of course again there is chance of becoming MA, PhD. But the first MA, PhD in this life, that is finished. So, whatever we are acquiring here, that is not abhayam. Bhayam means expenditure. And all means not expenditure. If you have got some money, if you spend, then it is bhayam, finished, after some time. Abhayam means you spend as much, it's still not finished. That is abhayam. So, devotional service of Krishna is explained as susukham kurtum abhayam. Whatever you do, if you have attained success, 10%, that 10% your permanent. Therefore it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Suchinang simatangi yoga brishta sanjayati. Those who could not finish the bhakti yoga in this life, they get another chance of human life. Not only human life, it is stated they go to the heavenly planet, they enjoy there, and then again come back in this planet, that also not ordinary man. Suchinang simatangi. He takes birth in very sanctified family, just like Brahman, Vaishnava, Suchinang, and Simata, very rich family. Then it is his duty. So those who are born rich, you Americans, you are supposed to be born rich. Actually it is so. So you should think in this term that due to our previous devotional service, by Krishna's grace, we have got our birth in this country. There is no poverty. Srimatang. So you should take to Krishna consciousness very seriously. You have got the opportunity. You are not poverty-stricken. You haven't got to waste your time. Where is food? Where is food? Where is food? Just like in other poverty-stricken country, they are embarrassed to find out food. But you are very fortunate. So don't waste this opportunity by becoming hippies. Don't waste. They become devotee, Krishna's devotee. The Krishna consciousness movement is there, and we have got so many centers. Just try to learn this Krishna consciousness, science, and make your life perfect. That is our request. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare